So let's start creating this website from the scratch. What you will do first, you will open a new Google Chrome extension right here and search for the GoDaddy.com. And when you open this GoDaddy.com website, you need to first sign in with the website. So I already signed in right here. If you are the new user, you have to first create your account in this GoDaddy website, and then what you have to do, you have to search your domain. So what domain should you purchase if you want to create uh, if you want to create some website? So let's suppose that I am a teacher and I want to create one website based on my name. So generally I will take the website name as yourname.com or yourname.in or your name, something like that. So right now I have created one website. So today we will take that website and we will design that website from the scratch. So this domain name is atschool.in. So you need to think first which type of domain name you want to take, and that domain name you have to search right here. When you search this domain name, it will give you the search result right here. It shows that atschool.in is already taken, and it suggests some other domain names like you can purchase atschool.live, atschool.co, atschool.store, atschool.design, atschool.me, and so on. So it's your choice, whatever you your domain name is, you take that domain name and add that domain name into the cart. And when you add up that domain name into the cart, this is a simple plus sign right here. If you like this particular domain, you click on this plus sign and this domain will move toward your cart. So then afterward, what you will do, you will click on continue to the cart. So just like this, I have selected my name.com website, and I place that into my cart. And occasion if someone uh, hacked your website or something like that, so if you want to purchase it, you can purchase it. So what you will do, you will click on this I am ready to pay, and you have to pay the whole amount with the help of your credit card or visa card or something like that, and that domain will be your. Okay, so after this what you will do, you will go to GoDaddy account right here, and click on this name option right here, and click on my products. So when you click on my products, all the products which are available or which you have purchased, they will shown right here. So I have already purchased two domain name. One is atecheSolution.co.in, and second domain is atschool.in. So these two domain I already purchased. So I need to create my website based on these two domains. One domain is for the learning platform, and second domain is for the selling platform. Okay, So this is the these are the two domains right here, so which we need to configure in a WordPress website. Okay, the second step is to take the hosting. Okay, so how you will take the hosting? Open a new tab, and inside this tab you will write a reseller club. So this resellerclub.com is the first website which will provide Linux type of hosting. And if you are a new user, you need to first create your account right here. So it will give you the login option as well as to register inside their reseller club website. Okay, so you need to create your account right here. I already created, and I already uh, taken the web hosting, but you can use this website to take your hosting. There are different plans right here. So based on your the websites where you need to install one plugin, that is Softaculous app installer. And after installing the Softaculous app installer, you will see inside that WordPress is available. When you install that WordPress, you have to integrate this website with the domain name. So what you have to do, you have to give the domain name for the installation of WordPress. I already installed this WordPress right here. So you can see learn.atschool.in. One subdomain I have created right here. And right here you can see this atschool.in. This is the main domain right here. And thirdly, you can see right here this etechiesolution.co.in. So all these three domains are used right here, and I already installed WordPress uh, in into this, and I have placed these domains right here. So after placing all those things, what you have to do, you have to create your own website. So I think till this step you have to complete the process by your own, because you have to first install this Hello Elementor, then you have to activate it. You have to again click on the appearance, and then you have to cross check it that this particular uh, theme is installed or not. So what you will do, click on appearance, and then again you have to click on the themes. So when you open this theme, you will see right here this Hello Elementor is installed inside your website. So how you will check it, you will right click on it, and this is a visit website. Click right click on it and open in new tab. Or if you already opened in the new tab, then you have to just refresh it, and you will see this Hello Elementor web page is installed right here. Okay, so I think you have completed till this step. Then we will proceed to the next step. This theme is very important. Now you need to add some plugin right here. So what you will do, you will go to the plugins. This is the plugin option, and here you need to click on add new plugin. So when you click on this add new plugin, here you will find the search option. You need to search for Envato element. Envato elements. Okay, so here you can see right here Envato elements. So you need to install this Envato element. Click on activate. You have to click on activate. So this is the option right here. Click on this activate button, and this Envato symbol is appearing right here, this element, and here you can check the welcome message. So when you click on the welcome, you will find Envato element WordPress plugin. Welcome is appearing over there, and in this you need to install some template kits. Okay, so how you will install this templates? You have to click on this template kits right here, and right here you will find installed kit. So click on this install kits, and you need to upload the template kits which is available. I will share this template kit in the drive to all of you. So this is the template kit. Okay, so I need to upload this template kit. So if you want this, you can type this message. Okay, later on I will share this link inside the video link description, so that you can take this from there. Okay, so what you will do after this you have to upload the kit inside this particular website. So I will select this whole kit, and I will click on the upload option. Now this uploading process is going on, and right now you can see the install requirement option is available right here. You need to click on this, and here you can see right here this on this install above selected requirement. All the softwares or all the plugins which is available right here, they will be installed inside your website. Okay, so we will wait right